It looks good, looks good. But it could always look better. What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs, and like you've seen this past month, we're doing another interior mod today. So originally my plan was to stick with everything around the dash, the center console here, and the steering wheel, and I totally forgot to paint some of the pieces, so we're going to throw this one in first. So today, instead of doing something up here, we're going to be dealing with something on the door. Now, as you can already see, I did this a long time ago, probably 3 years ago or so. I painted these this trim here. Now, if you have a 2SS, this is the 1SS. If you have 2SS or the ZL1, you will have the LED bar in this trim. Don't mean anything, you can still have it painted, but yeah, so I just took this out and painted it. Be sure to go check that video out if you want to know how to take these out, because they can be a little difficult if you've never removed your whole entire door panel before. But yeah, luckily I have experience doing that, so it wasn't too bad. But if you look at the door here, I've always said this about Camaros, you get out, it kind of looks like a wing. So the part we're dealing with today is going to go around this speaker here, and it's going to give it more of a wing look. So here it is. We have our color matched radio speaker door trim here. And if we look, this just simply goes just like that. So we're going to get our tripod set up here and put it on. Man, looking at this needs to be cleaned pretty bad. Jesus. I'll probably take these out and repaint these, honestly. I used some lower quality paint when I did these. The paint I use now is top tier. But yeah, let's do it. So I'm actually going to demo this side because the lighting is just top tier on this side. Let's start by just spraying some of the spray here. Just giving it a good wipe. Can remove some oils or anything like that. Just make sure you got a good, clean surface here. And then I have some rubbing alcohol behind me here. Put some of that on. Should be good to go. So we're going to take our piece here, and we're going to remove the red tape covering here. So now we're just going to carefully place it. All there is to it. So I accidentally messed up some of my tape, so I had to take it off and put some new one on there. So now we're good to place it. So there we have it. Do the same to the other side. There you have it, guys. It turned out great. Compliments that wing look on the door there. So yeah, if you end up liking it, be sure to go down below and absolutely smash that like and subscribe button, and check out the website at www.jcscustomshop.com to find this exact product. So Until next time, appreciate you guys watching. Peace.